Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Mario and today we're talking giveaways and second chances, so stick around. So what are we giving away? I'm giving away one of these. I'm giving away the Gotham steel Christmas tray. I'm going to try to get a hold of the second one because I'd like to give away two of them. Now this obviously cannot be used in the traditional air fryers. It can be used in a regular oven. It can be used in, let's say, possibly a larger toaster oven, or in my case the Breville Smart Oven Air. So I want to give away one of these. I'm also looking for something that I can do with people with the air fryers, because that's where a lot of you have shown support, was with the air fryers. I don't know what it'll be, probably a small item, but I just want to get that out of the way. Now, let's talk about second chances. So an issue you may have heard with the Breville before is the door gets stuck closing. Last week, twice, when I was shutting the door, it was about this much shut, and then it wouldn't shut anymore. I had to put it down and back up. It happened twice, hasn't happened again. However, since I've heard some users complaining of this, I decided to call Breville and talk to them about it. So I'm going to be shipping back my Breville. They're going to replace it. I have two options. I can send back my old one, and then they'll ship me back a new one. They'll give me a prepaid FedEx label to do that. The problem is this is the only item I've ever purchased I threw away the box while it was still in warranty. So I gotta see if I can find a box for this thing to pack it safely and ship it off. The other option is they'll require temporary payment. So I'll give them a credit card and $156. They will ship me the replacement first. I take the old one, put it back in the box, ship it back. When they receive it, I get my money back. That, unfortunately, is probably the way I'm going to have to go, because I don't have any boxes that big that are secure enough to ship this, because this is quite heavy. So what are the second chances? We'll take a look. So we're swapping out this for this. So I'm doing this for a couple of reasons. I feel like I've given the Breville over a year of testing back and forth. One of the key things with the Breville for me is it's bigger than the air fryer, so I can cook for 3 people very easily in it, and it does a fairly decent job. Granted, it's not as quick as the air fryer, requires a higher temperature, and I don't feel like my wings come out as crispy, but it does a fairly decent job. So I'm putting the GoWISE USA air fryer back on the counter, and we're going to use it for an extended period of time, and I'm going to try to make it work the way it was meant to work. Now that's going to be a difficult task based on my original findings and how often I use it, because right now it sits on duty just to make my rotisserie, and that's how I use it, and it does a good job with that. But we're going to see if we can just work out all the little kinks and bugs of trying to make it work almost as well as a traditional air fryer. Now the GoWISE oven can have 2-3 shells in it, but the problem is you have to rotate those shells, and that's extra work. So I'm going to try to make it work almost as good as the air fryer, but at least on par with the Breville. Granted, it can't match that capacity, but it does have a rotisserie. So over the next coming days, I'll be training Donna on how to use the GoWISE air fryer oven, because she's very familiar with the Breville, but not with the air fryer. And it can be pretty funny with the settings, like if you want to change the temperature, you just can't press up and down. You have to hit temp, up and down, things of that nature. So you'll be seeing me use that for some time to come on upcoming videos. So why am I doing this giveaway? Well, my site has grown to over 5,000 subscribers. I think it's 5,250 right now. That's a 5,000 subscriber difference from a year ago. Also, 2 of my videos have hit 100,000 views, and that's pretty amazing, especially considering my channel is pretty small. Also, my site is also verging on 1 million views. That's pretty exciting, actually. Granted, it's not no PewDiePie site, but hey, I just do this part-time to have some fun, make some food, and show everybody what I know. So unfortunately, this contest is only available to people in the US. Can't do Alaska and Hawaii because of some additional shipping issues that I'll run into and the costs involved with it. So again, like, subscribe, share, comment that you want to win. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you know when I'm putting out a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Don't forget, Facebook page, Instagram page, Pinterest page in the description. Join those as well. We'll see you.